everyone. I'm Jessica from Kaishan Machinery. We are attending the Sino-Pack exhibition in Guangzhou. This is our booth. You can see our logo, our company, and we bring our case packing machine and our pre-made backpacking machine and the cartoning machine. For our case packing line, there is a case erector, case filling, and a case sealing machine, which will erect the case and seal the bottom with tape. Then fill the inner boxes into the outer case. Then seal the case with the tape. Seal the case top with tape. This can connect with our carton packing machine to work to be a full line. Now, let me introduce our cartoning machine, the carton packing machine to you. 暂停一下，然后跟着 is our horizontal cartoning machine. We also have vertical type cartoning machine, and today I will introduce our horizontal cartoning machine. This is a low speed machine. The speed is from 50 to 60 boxes per minute. And this is the product delivery belt. Once here, detect the product, and here will suck down the box to open the box, and here fill the product into the box, and here close the box and seal the box with glue sealing. Also, we can do the tuck in, the insert sealing way. And for the glue sealing, here we equip the hot melt glue machine. Now we equip the Switzerland Robotech hot melt glue machine. We can also supply the American Northern as your request. Here for this machine, it's adjustable for various sizes box. We have different models. Each model have a size range. So you can use different box sizes in one machine. Here for the delivery belt, we can make the plastic tank belt or the stainless steel delivery belt as according to customer's product. And here, this is a box loader. We have the Lanson box loader, which can store about 400 boxes at one time. So it's very convenient for a worker to add the box. And here, for the box suction, we use the double up and down box suction structure. So it will open the box from top and the bottom side. It can be more stable and the box forming better, so the packing will be more beautiful. And here, for the box pusher, here we have the special protector function. Once if there is any stuck, then machine will stop and alarm immediately. And most important, our machine, if there is no product, then it won't suck down the box. So it can won't waste your box. And for the machine, we have the protector cover, so it's very safe. And this is our packing sample. 我拿一个好一点的。You can see the packing is very beautiful and good. Here, can open from here. 可以拍一下那些。These are our sample. Now I will run the machine for you. Here you can do the manual feeding, or we can also connect with your front machine to do the auto feeding. Here detect the product, then suck down the box and the filling and the sealing. Very good quality. For this machine, this is our new type, and our main electric parts are all use the world famous brand. For our touch screen, all use the Japan Omo, and our PLC encoder are also all from Japan Omo. And our this sensor from the Germany SICK, and for some switches, we also use the France Schneider. So we use the best materials and the best components to make sure our high quality. And for our machine, the adjustment is also very easy. For this delivery belt, this length we can make according to customer's request to lengthen it or shorten it. This length is we can customize according to customer request. And for the adjustment, we have the scales like this, so it's very easy for customer to adjust the size just through these rulers, and also here also. It's orange all with the scales and the rulers. So with numbers, so worker can change the size and adjust our machine very easily and simple. For the delivery belt, here have the screws. You just lose the screws, and this size can be adjustable to be bigger or smaller. And also the box loader, just from here the screws and also the chain delivery. 暂停一下。For the touch screen, we have the English menu, and we can also do customers' local language like Russian or Korea. And for our machine delivery, when we ship our machine, usually we just deliver the whole machine together. So customer only need to connect the power and the air, then turn on the machine. It can run directly. It's very easy. And for machine, we can provide the abroad service. We can send our engineer to customer's factory to install the machine and the commissioning and the training. And if customer don't want abroad service, we can also provide the online service. So we can provide the video support and engineer support online. For this machine, it's suitable for packing food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and many commodity products. So it's very wide use. And this is our horizontal low-speed machine. We also have the high-speed machine, which is speed can reach 200 boxes per minute. And we also have the vertical cartoning machine, which can packing the powder or the coffee capsules into the carton box. So we have different types. If you have any interest, you can contact me and I will introduce the suitable machine according to your product.